Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Hological, and in this video I am going to show you how to add text box into your Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to add text box in Canva, you just simply have to open your Canva application and then create a new design or open existing design into your Canva. Then after opening a design into your Canva, you just simply have to select this text option at the bottom. Just simply tap into text option and then you will directly get the option of add a text box. Just simply tap into that button and now you can write anything into text box and it will help you to do more customizations related to text. This way you can easily add a text box into your Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.